Welcome to Cityview. This is elevated living just one block from the Ithaca Commons. We're here today to see apartment PHS, a one-bedroom on the top floor. Let's head on in. As you enter, the kitchen is on your left with a dishwasher, an electric oven and range, a microwave, and a refrigerator. On into the living room, you'll note that this is an example of an unfurnished apartment. You bring all your own furniture and arrange it however you like. One great feature of Cityview is the high ceilings and the tall windows that let lots of natural light into this north-facing apartment. The unit is air-conditioned and each room has a heating element. On into the bedroom. This room is also unfurnished. Again, you bring your own furniture and arrange it however you like. There is one large walk-in closet, plenty of storage space. Another great feature of Cityview is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. We'll finish in the bathroom. A spacious bathroom with a shower and tub combo and a vanity with medicine cabinet. Rent for Cityview apartments includes heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Cityview PHS. Call us today for availability.